People's presence in Moseley Bog can be traced to around 3,000 years ago, with evidence of burnt mounds within the area. Burnt mounds are known to be places where people would cook, often close to rivers, but also places where people would set up sauna-like structures using hot rocks to create steam. By the 11th century, the land would have been fields, where crops would have been sown and animals reared. The Cold Bath Brook has always fed Sarehole, but in the 16th century a mill pool was constructed in the bog. The mill pool was drained in later years and left to return to the woodland we see today. As a child at the start of the 20th century, J.R.R. Tolkien of Lord of the Rings fame lived on Waite Green Road. He and his brother Hilary would often spend their days playing in the area, known then as the village of Sarehole, a quiet place away from the city. It's thought that much of his stories and their settings come from his boyhood experiences in the area.